Brent is from Edmonton. Be honest, Dr. Sharma, do hair transplants hurt? Well, the actual surgery is performed under local anesthetic. We perform a block around the front of the scalp and the back. Now that pain is a little bit sharp, to be very honest. You asked me to be honest, so I'm being honest. It feels like a bee sting. The pain lasts roughly 60 to 90 seconds when we are performing the local anesthetic block, after which you will feel no pain whatsoever. You will feel pressure, you'll feel some water around your scalp, which we use for our grafts, but you won't actually feel anything else. It's actually quite boring, to be honest with you, for the patient. The block is very effective and lasts roughly 4 to 8 hours. On day number 2 after surgery, most patients are very surprised to realize how little downtime they have.